Welcome to RSR Nürburg. We're a car rental company at the Nurburgring. You can come and you can drive any of our wonderful cars from BMW M3, Nissan GTR, Porsche Caymans, or in fact now we have a new Revo edition Golf R.
We've been working with RSR to create a project for the new RSR Revo Edition rental Mark 7.5 Golf R, fitted with our full performance pack and complementary brake kit and wheels to create the perfect setup for the Nürburgring Nordschleife. This car is now available to rent through RSR for the Nordschleife and the local surrounding roads and track days at Spa-Francorchamps. So this car has been fitted with our full Revo Performance Pack kit, which includes ECU software, transmission software, and the complementary hardware, which includes intercooler, throttle and charge pipe kit, and our Revo Carbon Series intake kit. To complement that and to help it stop as well as it goes, the Revo by Alcon 355mm brake kit and our new RFO 18 flow-formed wheels. Revo's tuning philosophy is to design and develop fast, reliable, but most importantly drivable cars. The ECU software, the TCU software, and all of our hardware undergoes rigorous testing, which is absolutely critical in the environment in which this car will be used. Rental cars, in their nature, have a very, very hard life. RSR approached us to put together a package to offer their customers the opportunity to experience a standard car versus a modified car. The Revo Performance Pack is designed very much with that in mind, to offer customers an improved driving experience that's reliable and consistent and can just do lap after lap after lap. The Revo Performance Pack is designed with power, reliability but consistency in mind, allowing the customers to experience this car to its full potential and really understand exactly what is available from this car, which probably should have come from the factory in the way that we have designed and developed it.
We're very excited to have Revo on as a partner. Here at the Nürburgring, we're always looking for ways to improve our cars and to offer better driving experiences for our customers. And now, with the Golf R and the Performance Pack from Revo, we should have a very exciting experience for the customers when they come and join us.